Okay, so after our troubles with the thing, we just realized that the TV is not working now. Great. So now we have no phone, no internet, no TV. Can't go outside because we'll get attacked by roosters.
No air conditioning.
No air conditioning. No water.
Stuck here.
No frozen peas. We have a bag of frozen broccoli and Judge Joe Brown to watch.
Bad girls. Judge Joe Brown, bad girls. Alright, now show the TV.
See, channel not available.
Next. Channel not available. Next. Channel not available. Next. Channel not available. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? I should have never changed the channel. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Now we don't need Judge Joe Brown, bad girls. Now all we have is ourselves.
So we have ourselves to do stuff with. We can't go outside. So don't tell us we should go outside because we can't go outside because we'll get attacked by roosters.
And it's too hot.
Too hot outside. It's like 96 degrees out. Checked the weather channel earlier before the TV was still working, and it said it was 96 degrees out. It's like 87 degrees in here. It's hot. It's humid. We are dying.
And all
of
we have
heat.
is 2 fans. It's like a tunnel of fans.
Yeah, we have 1 fan over here. There. And 1 fan. A second. Over there.
And it doesn't even do anything.
And
It
we're
just blows hot
sitting
air.
between.
It just blows hot air.
It's just blowing hot air at us. So it's not a fun experience. This is the unlucky day of filming.
We tried the DSI, and I thought maybe Kira could get a hold of Madison, and Madison could get a hold of Auntie Tina. But no internet connection.
Because Grandpa turned the internet off before he left.
And then locked the door.
And locked the door. So here we sit. And we are extremely hot right now.
All I want to do is go to your house, Kira, and get in the cool air, and my little hair is like blowing everywhere.
I have French farmer braids in right now. See? Ooh,
beautiful.
Pretty. Pretty. So that when I die, I will look good. Okay. That's about it. I think we should list what we're without again. We are without food. Well, we have a little bit of food. But
We do.
we have tortillas in the fridge. That's about it. It's not very filling or cooling at all. We have no food. We have no water. We have no air conditioning. We have no TV.
We have no internet.
We have no internet. We have no phone service. We have no outside because the chickens will attack us. And it is really hot
The
out.
fans don't stop working.
We have electricity, so we have a fan, and that is it. We have a fan and a video camera, and that is all we have to entertain
So
ourselves.
it'll record our slow death.
We will record our death in increments, as you can see, us going down the toilet. Okay.
I'm rolling over here. You can't even see me. Just a little bit. There we go. Peace.
We are
out.
very, very, very hot right now. Okay, bye.
Oh, bye.
How do I turn this off?
Turn it off.
Okay, guys, we're not dying. We found water, and we have TV. Woo! We have people kissing. Woo! No, I want to see.
Really, Kira? Really?
Aww. And down they go. Okay.
What is this?
We have water and we have TV.
It's called
Woo!
Sparkle. It's called Sparkle.
Kayla, how do you feel about this?
I feel great, but I still have no energy because it's heat.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
I have no words to describe how I feel right now. We're still here. It's almost 5 o'clock, and here's Mom and here. Grandma and Grandpa aren't here. And we have no phone. We're thinking about going to walk over to the neighbors and ask them to borrow their phone and say, can we please use your phone to call up your mommy because we're hungry and we want to go home? And Beatty never showed up, and we've been sitting here for like 4 hours waiting. Where is everybody? And we need to think about breaking through the floor with a stick of passengers and going down and using their phone.
Balsamic vinegar and oil. Authentic Italian
And
herbs.
it's so
Just
hot.
a few of the ingredients you'll find in Hidden Valley Today Italians and vinaigrettes.
It's just not our day. It's like the unluckiest day ever. You're like, oh, they have a phone, and then the phone died, and then we're like, oh, we have another phone downstairs, and then that phone died, or that phone is blocked off to us. So now we have every single way of contacting somebody else is blocked off. We have no internet, no phone, no nothing. Every single way we could contact, besides smoke signals. Maybe we should have set the house on fire.
I know, really, what would happen if like something went wrong? Like we have no way to contact like anybody.
Yeah.
We have to go to the neighbors.
We should just run over there. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. I bet she'd do it because she knows Grandma. I bet she would do it. I seriously bet she would do it.
Well, yeah, I should let us use your phone, but I don't want to go there. I don't even know. I've never even like seen it.
Okay, well, yeah, I don't know. I mean, her son might open the door. I don't know. Just hope to get home soon. Okay, bye.
The public's reaction of mine